The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
I've lived up to everybody's expectation, right? And I try to be what everybody expect me to be. But I'm just not happy. You understand? I'm not happy. And to be honest, I always afraid of being the cast out and my family and friends deny me. So I just kept on living a lie. You understand? I kept on living that life that everybody thought I should live. But I can't do this no more. I can't live like this no more. So it is like I have to really come out because I can't live like this. I like Pum Pum. I like Pum Pum. I like Pum Pum. Yeah. I like vaginas. I like women. And I know that a lot of my family gonna forsake me. Saying this just let me feel so free. I like women. I like vagina. Mommy, I'm sorry for disappointing you. I love vagina.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Seriousskilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, I just presented to you a video that shows a person who said some things that gave me the understanding that the person is trying to let others know that she is interested in females. You understand? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm not saying that I don't believe this person. You understand me? You know, and on a real, I don't want, it seems as if I'm putting down this person or talking bad about this person. No, I'm not doing that. That's what I said to you, because coming out with something like this sometimes becomes difficult for persons to do. So may I say to you, yeah, and you know, Jamaicans would say at least them honest. You see, now listen to the thing now, viewers and subscribers. You see, some of the times you have people who will make videos and they make these videos just for entertainment purposes or likes, you see me, and they say some things some of the times that is so convincing, and you'd be surprised to know that you know, it's not really what's happening or not a thing don't go so. You see me? As all Jamaicans would say. You see, but however, if this person is actually serious about the things that this person has said in this video, well, I only wish the best for each and every one. You see me, I say? So I'm not being disrespectful and I'm not putting down anyone. You see me? Let me know if you believe or if you do not believe the things that this person had said. You see me? Let me know if you think if this thing is just a publicity stunt or not. You understand me? Yeah, I brought this video to you not only because this video is being talked about on social media, but also to let you see that there are persons out there who are having issues when it comes on to their sexuality and, you know, sexual preferences or so on. You understand? Yeah, I don't really want to go too deep into that, but you know, just let me know what you think about some of the things that the person had said are these things. All right, and don't be too harsh. You see? Anyways, I'm going to move on to another video right about now, you see? And the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is just a piece of an entire video that is out on social media, you see? This video is going to show a person who goes by the name of Dyema. And, you know, on social media, it is said that Dyema got beat up. You see me? It is said that someone beat up Dyema or someone attacked Dyema, you see me? Now, in this video, you're going to hear Dyema talk about the person who attacked her, or as some persons on social media would say, beat her up, and so on, you understand? And I'm presenting this video to you not only because this video is being talked about on social media, but so that you can get a better understanding about this whole thing, because it's being talked about on social media as well. You see me? And as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video or some of the languages in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Oh, you don't feel upright. Your wife or your cousin and one you're married to, she left the road, good. And then now when she come back, half a blood clot are retarded. And she never go to road, so. Cause right now I retired, me can't bathe myself. Me can't bathe myself, me can't put on my clothes, me can't do blood clot, nothing cause one hand me have. Me for go down the road, go sell a little dollar. Me can't go out there for go sell, cause remember, me still have to run from them. So my life, you know, if upright I go mind me and pay my bills them. And that me want to know. Cause see it here, me can't put on my clothes, me can't blood clot do nothing. Me have to call people to soap up my rag and all of them there's something there. Me have to put in one foot in a so, one hand in a so, I squeeze my head in a so like me a blood clot handicap. And me left for me yard good. I don't feel like a joking thing. True when me talk people laugh. When I come talk like a joking business. Like I don't joking something this. Me not see fun and laughter at this no time at all. And the reason why me take it to my life, cause me not have this a big social media platform and sit down. And when nothing else I'm to know bad me bite and try. Me I bite and try for myself too. And me no know how some of you laugh like me no know get no joke. Remember me not beg help. Remember my prescription full and me have everything under control. I just have to talk for us where people are go through. That's why sometimes I don't grudge people. Because when people are go through their roughness and them toughness and reach where them reach, some people don't know how hard it is for you to go and so. Upright to blood clot out of order. Upright me I saw 40 blood clot ear wall. I don't know what you are truly for me for. Like me never know. Hey, sure. I want to rock my attitude and that's some rock my attitude. I feel my hand hurt me, man. I can't even rock my attitude to blood clot. Then you couldn't know me now, know so me now. Listen to me now. And I can't talk me upright here. And I can't talk me the public here. Upright, remember I could have take it in a bad manism. And make you get back your leg. But guess what now, me I take it the right way. And the right way me I take it. The right way. So you can always walk up down St. James Street and they go in there one of the vendor them ears and they ask them say why you do wrong and all these things. You could have asked them go and ask them come. Remember me nah name rice when it act. Remember me I put in the right way, me I put in the law way. Cause upright me taking the rough way a problem. So me I go take it the right and proper way. But justice way me I take it. I could have 100 years take upright. Me got to get me justice. Me not ask you about it. I tell you. And upright, if you didn't know me very well, like how me know myself very well, you should have known me now make you get away with this. Oh. I when me and fibble dabba dibble dabba, must still a move around. You don't know I'm strong, you know. Remember I said the strongest soldier get the hardest fight, you know. Yeah. And the realest people live the hardest life. You don't know how it go. Remember I'm strong in any Gideon when I go in there. Remember nothing you can't keep a good woman down. Yeah. Remember if a wheelchair me in, I'm still a go out there go look it. Which God now make me reach this so. So all that who I come talk about how me mighty full and powerful. I want to know me mighty full and powerful for fight for my rights. I mean not to talk for my rights. All the time I don't see me come about when people fuck with me. That's the only time I don't see me come by my life. I see some people are coming about mighty full and powerful. I say I want to go talk about the man showed me in my fast teeth. Listen to me, I not having no fast teeth in my blood clot mouth. No fast teeth in my mouth. So if I wear no teeth, good that's no fast teeth in my mouth. Is that cap upon my teeth? You see no blood clot. So I can't even use this as an in my jaw bone corner. I don't know me stay no. I don't know me like cuss so you know. I like trouble blood clot. I don't love cuss so. I don't love cuss so. I love cuss and rock up my body. I can't rock. Sure, wait there. I can't bother for cuss handicap. Sure. See how the boy lit me yesterday? See it there? You see I broke the boy, the boy want to kill me. See the red mark up, so the boy walk me with a piece of iron for up in your so you know. Then you don't feel like you know get away with that. Tell me now. Eh? Just tell me now. Eh? Just tell me. I want a girl we comment over pink water talk about false teeth. I'm sorry that Anna now work. Come on, you're looking at me more good. See that? Bumbo hole girl, look at my mouth good. You see now iron in my mouth corner. You talk about false teeth. Girl, me I do it false teeth in my mouth. From my born, me never got a dentist or righty teeth in my mouth. My tongue not dirty, not junction in my mouth corner. So I don't know what you talk about false teeth. Look good, Look there, you know, see no hole in my blood clot teeth, no filling, no nothing. Solid blood teeth there. See there? See there? Solid like a what? It's a cap there for my teeth, and my image that. It's a gold cap me bill and put for my teeth. And my image about false teeth, your blood clot. Look here. You can't see me good right it evil teeth. Them I heard before. You talk about when I dig hole, no dig blood clot to me, not give a fuck where a girl or a boy want to say no. But me I talk about my rights, cause if I when nobody else see me, I talk about it. So when me can't talk about from own right. Upright, you're not getting away with this. Remember me tell you, you come with your one house or all house problem. You know God give you beating because you never been married to your wife, you never been married to your cousin, if I say. Alright, if you say never been married to your wife. You never been married to your cousin. Said come like it a ride you. You come take it out by me. Why you take it out by me for? And you thief the church money and talk but you borrow it. And landlord you open CLM. All these problems you come take it out by me. When me I run with my tool and load them and fill for me bills them and all of my bills them and me never take it out by you. And you walk and ask vendor today and ask vendor about what you do wrong. You know see what you do wrong. You're not supposed to blood clot like me. You're supposed to take me things and serve me as a man. Which me things tie up and never exposed to nothing when of sell. Cause when tie up, you never in a selling, you never in a no selling zone. Me tell you, me things that hide down a one place. Me never in a no selling zone. And you run come down, you come take up me chop all in. I want bad me put part back like a mayor. Upright they go like see me when buy them. Upright me never rest no cocky behind me ears like a split steel. I work hard and buy my things them. You just want grab them up and take out what you want. And you see they don't know they make sure them you know. When they take one of things, they take out what they want and then they carry around go put down. And then when you go quote and pay for your things and come back, when they say when you don't see a load we are send around there. If I have one full chop all in and you go in a parish council, but if you go quote and come back to blood clot, you chop all in quarter.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, you know. Let me know what you think about the videos that I just presented to you. You see me? Dyema said some things in the video that I just presented to you, and you know, putting it in the hands of the law, I think that's the right thing to do. You see me? Yeah. Put certain things in the hands of the law. You know, things that you know that can get you into trouble with the law, just put it in the hands of the law. You see me? I say the whole heap of retaliation and violence thing, no bother with them thing there. You see me? I say, yeah, so big up and respect to Dyema, big up and respect to the person in the first video that I just presented to you, and big up and respect to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, here's where I leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.